Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to water raised bed gardens. This video will take you through the best methods of watering raised bed gardens, so stick around to learn more. 1. Hand watering with a hose or watering can. If you want to conserve water, hand watering your raised bed garden using a hose or watering can is the best option. However, ensure you maintain a consistent watering routine to get the best results. Here are some tips to help you when watering your raised bed garden by hand. Aim the water at the soil rather than at the leaves of your plants. Water early in the morning so that your plants dry out during the day. If you use a hose, water your plants with a gentle spray rather than a power wash to prevent soil erosion. 2. Watering using garden ollas. Garden ollas are porous terracotta pots which, when filled with water, slowly let out moisture to water the roots of surrounding plants. This ancient irrigation method is perfect if you don't have enough time to regularly water your raised bed garden. You can go for up to a week without refilling your pot. To use an olla, dig a small hole in the center of your raised bed garden and bury your olla up to its neck. Plant around the olla, ensuring plants that require more moisture are closer to the pot, while those that require less moisture are further away. Fill your olla with water and close the lid. After setting up your olla, water your raised bed garden by hand for 1 to 2 weeks, enabling the roots of your plants to grow toward the olla. The roots will then attach themselves to the olla and draw water from it whenever they need it. Refill your olla as needed. 3. Watering using a formal irrigation system. This is the most effective way to ensure that every part of your raised bed garden is consistently watered. Hire a certified irrigation specialist to help you install the formal irrigation system. You can also connect a rain sensor to your timer so that the irrigation system turns off when there's plenty of rain. So there you have it. Consistent watering is key to growing and nurturing a healthy raised bed garden. Use any of these methods to keep your garden green and thriving throughout the year. Feel free to like, share, and comment on this video. Till next time.